You might have seen sticker shock when you opened your property tax bill. Some taxes are going up more than 40% in some Denver neighborhoods.
And now Governor Polis is trying to do something to ease that burden. Glad you're with us tonight at 5 o'clock on Denver 7 News. I'm Shannon Ogden.
And I'm Jessica Porter. Thanks for being with us tonight. The governor unveiled legislation today that would let voters decide on Colorado's property tax policy.
Denver 7's Amy Wattis joins us live and walks us through this proposal. Good evening, Amy.
Good evening, and Governor Jared Polis made this announcement inside the governor's office here at the Colorado State Capitol this afternoon. He says this proposed legislation would cut the average homeowner's tax increase in half while helping with funding and providing funding for services like schools, fire protection, and more at the same time.
I just got my letter 2 days ago with the new value, and I was just shocked.
Retired Denver Public Schools teacher Lori Kaluza just bought a home in North Park Hill last July to be closer to family.
It's already gone up a huge amount, and my taxes are going to go up like $1,000 a year. I think my taxes were $2,100, and now they're going to be over $3,000.
Last week, a group of 9 county assessors from the Denver metro area announced property values have increased at an unprecedented rate, meaning homeowners could pay significantly more in taxes starting in 2024. But today, Governor Jared Polis announced a last-minute proposal that aims to reduce skyrocketing property values for at least the next decade.
We want to make sure we relieve and provide and cut property tax rates by about 50% of the increase.
Governor Polis said there's 3 things he's setting out to solve: immediate tax relief while providing predictability for property owners over time, a long-term replacement to the Gallagher Amendment, which was repealed by voters in 2020. The amendment was meant to be a way to keep residential property tax rates lower than the rates paid by businesses.
And third, a mechanism to prevent rates from going up faster than income.
We can also, at the same time, protect the funding for our schools, our fire districts, our local governments that we all rely on every day.
Lawmakers say it would pull money from the taxpayers' Bill of Rights or Tabor refunds in order to make up for the cuts. Meanwhile, Kaluza says she's already cutting corners and will have to do more of it if she's stuck paying an extra $1,000 in taxes. She says she's relying on her pension from DPS to keep her afloat.
I don't go out and buy, go to restaurants. I try to, I haven't bought myself new clothes in a while. I mean, just those other extra things that you feel like you can do when your bills aren't taking over.
Again, this legislation will give voters the opportunity to decide the future of property tax policy this November when they head to the polls. Governor Jared Polis says he's confident this legislation will pass. We have more information posted to our website, denver7.com, for you to check out. Live at the Colorado State Capitol, Amy Wattis, Denver 7.
All right, a lot of people looking for relief. Thank you, Amy.
Well, let's provide you with some more insight on why property taxes are going up like this. We spoke with the president of the Bell Policy Center, which looks at how to improve the economic status of Coloradans. He says it's directly correlated to the Gallagher Amendment being repealed in 2020.
The reason homeowners have never experienced this before is because up until 2020, we had the Gallagher Amendment. And from 1982 until 2020, when Coloradans' residential home values went up, the assessment rate went down, and the business side, the non-res side, would go up to compensate.
So here's an important thing to know about these new numbers. Today is the first day you can appeal your new home appraisal. The Denver County Assessor says to review the statement, make sure the numbers are correct. Also, though, take stock of your home's condition.
Maybe conditional issues that are present with the property that we're not aware of because we haven't gotten into the property. Sometimes properties do fall behind in terms of their maintenance and repair, and that can lead to a valuation that doesn't reflect those issues.
And the deadline to appeal is June 8th. You can find more details on your county's assessor's website.